Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Actress Shrinu Parekh, who recently got tested positive of COVID-19, got into a telephonic chat with us, and here we asked her about the difficulties she's been facing, advice and more. Hear it out. How's your health right now and how are you recovering from the virus?
Hi everyone, I'm good. I'm recovering. Baby, there is coughing, persistent coughing that happens when I talk a lot, and I'm recovering well from the virus. Yeah,
What symptoms were you facing and when did you realize that it's time to get tested?
I had almost all the symptoms, and I think it took me like 2 to 4 days to realize that yes, this is corona and I must get tested. So I really want you guys to be observant while you are sick and not freak out when even when there are no symptoms. It's किसी को भी हो सकता है ये. But I had cough, cold, weakness, sore throat, temperature, and I lost my sense of smell. I think जब smell आना बंद हो गया था, that's when I realized कि अब मुझे टेस्ट कराने की ज़रूरत है.
What was your state of mind when you got to know that the reports are positive?
State of mind, I was shocked, numb. समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि वो मतलब क्या हो गया है for the longest time. इतना कि मतलब it was there till I got admitted to the hospital and it took me hours. और मैं तब तक डिनाइल में थी कि नहीं हो सकता, मुझे कैसे हो सकता है. लाइक आई मीन आई एम द लास्ट पर्सन टू स्टेप आउट ऑफ द हाउस एंड कैच इट, जबकि माई पेरेंट्स go out to work every day. My brother goes out to get essentials and all. So मुझे कैसे हो सकता है, बट हो गया, यही कोरोना था.
You getting discharged from the hospital is a relief for all your fans, family and friends, but you're still positive and at home isolation. Are you worried or scared for the family?
Yes, it was okay. So I was a little delayed in my responses and my updates about my health because obviously I was too scared and I was hospitalized. But after that, I have made it a point that I inform all my fans about my health, update them always. And I have been very grateful to them. Thank you for all the prayers and wishes, which is why I think my family is safe right now. आपकी दुआओं की वजह से. And I am scared of infecting them. Yeah, that's why strictly I stay in the room. And वो खाना बाहर रख के चले जाते हैं and I just take the plate and spray the sanitizer all over the table where they've kept the plate, and I wash my own utensils, and that's how my isolation life is right now. And बेचारे मेरी सेवा में लगे हुए हैं. I feel bad for them, like this was so uncalled for.
Being in the hospital where no family member was around, doctors doing their job, was it scary to fight this virus alone?
I think यही बहुत ज़्यादा important हो जाता है because you are in the hospital, you are alone, you are fighting your own thoughts, your negative thoughts and your sickness all alone. I think that's where the hospital staff comes into the picture, and मतलब मैं उनका जितना भी थैंक यू करूँ उतना कम है because एक तो आई एम scared of needles, I am scared of blood test, I am scared of injections, a lot of things. I think they were holding my hand and they've been there throughout. मुझे बातों में लगाना, मुझे entertain करना, making sure that I eat well, ask me if I have taken bath, if they need to be around. Even they used to get me chai when I used to crave for it at times रात को. So I think they have been there, yaar, as my family members. Otherwise, अकेले रहना and fighting the sickness is practically impossible.
What is keeping you positive and motivated in such times?
I won't lie, but of course there are times when I have broken down. And डर सबको लगता है यार, मैं कोई मतलब सुपर ह्यूमन तो नहीं हूँ. I'm not some antaryami that always stays positive, but of course with the love and support of everyone, I think during these times when the news broke down, there are a lot of people who didn't even know me from the industry otherwise also who have contacted me. Like Aarti is one of them. आरती, महिमा, all these girls, I didn't even know आरती को मैंने सिर्फ मतलब अब तक admire किया है, and I was a fan of her in Big Boss. They all have contacted me, and they just talk to me. I think at times it just helps, and of course my family and my friends and my fans, they all have been like throughout with me, and a lot of my core friends knew about it, like Mansi Surbhi knew about it pehle se, the moment I got my report, and yeah, and a lot of other people were also there, and I think that's what keeps you sane, and that's what keeps you human, because there is kindness all around. I think I've been getting messages from all across the world, and of course a lot of dear ones have also been there just to talk to me and dukh baantna, just share my pain.
Lastly, any words of advice that you would like to share with people with regards to taking the right precautionary measures?
Yes, lastly, I'm just willing to share this, that it's okay, हो गया, किसी को भी हो सकता है, it's not your fault. आपको डरने की या शर्म करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, because you also are a victim of it. But if you hide it, then you would be wrong. Sadly, I have seen a lot of people doing that, and I don't blame them. डर सबको लगता है, and sadly यहाँ पे it's taken as a stigma. It's the fear around the disease, that oh लोग क्या कहेंगे, ये कैसे हो गया, या इसे कैसे हो सकता है, मतलब इससे दूर रहो. But that is the need of the hour. इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. Doesn't mean that people don't care for you. अगर आपको हुआ है तो आप प्लीज़ बता दो, और नेसेसरी स्टेप्स लो. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मतलब इट हैज़ टू बी सीरियस और एनीथिंग. आप घर पे भी ट्रीटमेंट ले सकते हो, बट you should definitely take the medical treatment ASAP, and inform all your near and dear ones, I think, so that अगर उनको कोई chances हुआ infection का, so they can also take necessary steps as early as possible. So आप तो ठीक हो जाओगे, but शायद दूसरा जो आपसे इन्फेक्ट हुआ है वो ना हो पाए. Sadly, I have experienced this, maybe indirectly, so I'm saying this, that please guys, don't hide it. And precautionary measures may just stay sanitized, yeah, and I think absolutely बहुत ज़रूरी हो तभी घर से बाहर निकलो. मैं तभी निकली थी, but it still happened. So as long as possible, please stay in your houses and stay clean. Keep washing your hands, and keep having immunity boosters. That's all I want to say.
Get well soon. Lots of love and prayers.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
We hope Shrenu recovers super soon. Loads of good vibes to her for a speedy recovery. Ashima Chavra, India Forums, Mumbai.